Hey everyone, it's Aysen. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about AI tools, productivity hacks, and smart ways to work faster and smarter. If you've ever wished you could get the key points of a long YouTube video in seconds, you're gonna love this video. Let's face it, YouTube is packed with useful content, but not all of us have 20 or 30 minutes to sit through every single video, especially where we're just looking for the key takeaways. That's why I'm excited to show you an amazing tool I found. It's called Glasp. It's called Glasp, and it's a browser extension that summarizes YouTube video instantly. And best of all, it's totally free. What makes it really powerful is that you can actually customize the summarize using your own prompts. So, whether you want a quick bullet point list, a blog intro, a YouTube description, or even email content, this tool has you covered. Let me walk you through how it works. First, head over to your Chrome or Safari browser and search for Glasp YouTube Summary. Install the extension. It only takes a few minutes. Once it's installed, you'll see a little glass icon show up right above any YouTube video you watch. Now, here's where the magic starts. Click the icon and it instantly pulls up a transcript and summary of the video. No need to wait or copy and paste anything. You just click and it's ready to go. By default, it gives you a basic summary and transcription, but you can take it way further. Click the little settings gear icon and you'll open up a bunch of customization options. You can switch between light or dark mode, pick the AI model, set your preferred language, and choose how detailed you want the output to be. But my favorite part is this. You can add your own prompts. Yes, anything you want the AI to do with the video transcript. Just type it in and hit save. Let me show you what I've added in mine. Summarize the video for a sixth grade audience. Suggest 5 clickable YouTube titles. Write a short blog paragraph with 3 key takeaways. Generate a YouTube video description in 2 sentences and create a brief email blast under 2000 words. You can get creative too. Ask for thumbnail ideas, hashtags, tweet formats, or a short script for reels or shorts. Once you've set your prompts, go back to the video and click the glass icon again. This time, instead of just a summary, you'll see the tool process each prompt one by one. For example, it'll give you a clean summary, then suggest some catchy video titles, then create a blog intro, then a YouTube description. Just copy and paste it into Google Docs, Apple Notes, your email platform, wherever you work. It honestly feels like having a personal content assistant working for you, and it saves me hours of typing and rewatching videos. I've added the prompts and the link for downloading the Glasp in the description. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like the channel. Please don't. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.